Getting your connection up and running.
In Australia, we like it fast. Kathy Freeman, Ian Thorpe, and our internet connection. Now you've got our fast and reliable full fibre connection, you're going to want to make sure your property is set up and ready to handle the pace, because it's coming in fast. Because yes, we can upgrade the connection coming into your place, but what happens after can have an impact on the way you get to experience all the new speediness and reliability coming in. Here are 4 tips to make sure your place is in peak physical condition to maximise that speed and reliability. Tip 1. Check out your Wi-Fi router.
The Wi-Fi generation of your router could influence the speeds you experience on your NBN plan. If your Wi-Fi router is more than 5 years old, you may want to consider your internet setup and whether it's still suitable for your needs. If you are looking to upgrade your Wi-Fi router, you may want to consider ensuring it is capable of at least Wi-Fi 6.
Why? The last part of where all that good internet stuff comes from is through your Wi-Fi router.
If your Wi-Fi router is capable of at least Wi-Fi 6 or above, then it should be capable of unleashing all that internet for 500 megabit per second plans and above. If unsure, check out nbn.com.au/optimise or speak to your internet provider.
Tip 2. Location. Wi-Fi routers aren't shy and retiring. They don't like being hidden in the corner tucked away from the action. They perform best when they have the space to spread. Find a home for it in an open location where you use the internet most and a metre off the ground. And fun fact, Wi-Fi signals can be sensitive to interference. So to get the most out of it, keep it away from things like the microwave, fridge, big mirrors, and other electrical motors. Tip 3. Check your property's design. How your property is built can make a huge difference to the strength and reliability of your Wi-Fi signal.
Think of it like sound trying to make its way through your home.
Solid brick walls or across multiple stories can make it hard for the signal to get through. But never fear. If your Wi-Fi router can't be placed in an optimal location where you use the internet most, there are other ways to spread the Wi-Fi love around your property effectively. You can buy a Wi-Fi mesh network, which are multiple devices that all link to each other, spreading the Wi-Fi signal around your place. It's less affected by issues like your thick walls and can cover larger space with less compromise on speed. It's like having a web of mini Wi-Fi access points all around your property. You may also want to engage a registered cabler to install Ethernet cabling across more parts of your property, which could enable you to move your Wi-Fi router, add additional Wi-Fi access points, or directly connect your devices.
If installing Ethernet cabling, we recommend using a minimum of Category 6 cabling.
Okay, tip 4, compatibility. To get the most out of your NBN speed plan, you should check the compatibility of your connected devices and Wi-Fi router.
If your connected devices aren't compatible with at least Wi-Fi 6 or above, but your router is, then each device may be limited in the maximum speed it can achieve. If unsure, visit nbn.com.au/optimise and look for connected devices.
One last thing to remember is that the more people connected to multiple devices at once, downloading, streaming, or gaming at the same time, the more it will affect the speeds you experience. Think of it like this. A fast speed plan on your full fibre connection is like having a garden hose with the shower jet setting blasting internet data straight into your home. As it reaches your Wi-Fi router, if it's a bit old and not up to the job, or if your NBN speed plan doesn't fit your needs, it won't be the reliable free flow of data you want. So, if you think you may need even more speed to handle this kind of usage at your place, have a chat with your provider about a suitable plan.
For more information, visit nbn.com.au/fibreappt.